Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Azure notification hubs to an Android app. Start by creating an Azure account if you don't have one already. Log in to your Azure portal. Navigate to the Create a Resource section. Search for and select Notification Hubs. Click on Create. Fill in the necessary information for your notification hub, such as the name, region, and price. Once you've filled in the details, click Review plus Create and then Create again. After the notification hub is created, go to the newly created hub. Under Settings, find and note down the connection string. Next, set up your Android app in Android Studio. Open your project and add the necessary dependencies for Azure notification hubs in your build.gradle file. This typically includes Firebase Cloud Messaging. Sync your project with the Gradle files. In the Firebase console, create a new project or use an existing one. Add your Android app to the Firebase project by providing the package name. Download the Google Services.json file provided by Firebase and place it in your app's module directory. In your Android project, initialize Firebase in your main activity. Add the required permissions for internet access and services in your Android manifest.xml file. Now, implement the logic to handle incoming messages in your Android app by extending the Firebase messaging service class. Override the onMessageReceives method to define how your app responds to notifications. Back in your Azure portal, navigate to your Notification Hub settings. Configure the settings to link your Android app with Azure notification hubs by providing the Google Cloud Messaging API key. In your Android app, register the device with the Azure Notification Hub. This requires sending the device token you receive from Firebase to your notification hub via a post request. Once registered, you can send test notifications from your Azure Notification Hub. Monitor your Azure portal for any errors or issues during the notification sending process. Finally, test receiving notifications directly on your Android device. This completes the setup of connecting Azure notification hubs to your Android app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.